Hello, welcome here. In this video, we are going to cover image upload with Firebase and Next.js. Let's start. This is a code along video, so you can go ahead, you can open your coding editors, prepare the entire environment. And we'll start by initialization of Next.js application. Very simple one, just copy this command here, go to your terminals in the folder where you want to initialize your project. Press enter. This will ask you a few questions. So the name of the application will be next image upload. All right, we don't want to use TypeScript. SLint yes, Tailwind CSS no, src directory yes, up router recommended yes, no. All right. This will take few moments, and while it is happening, we can go at the same time to Firebase console. Okay, so here, and we'll create here a new project. If you are not logged in, signed up for Firebase, go ahead. It's very easy sign up process. You just need to have your Google account or Gmail account. Click here, add project, and let's choose the name of the project. All right. Project name will be next image-upload. Let's say will work. Yes, continue. You can, we don't need to enable Google Analytics. Let's create a project, and this will also take a few moments. The Firebase is a cloud service, offers lots of different types of services, such as image upload, or they have a Firebase database or real-time database. They have also Firestore database, and all of these things. We will focus only on the image part. Okay, this is ready. Okay, here in the Firebase, we'll take a look here in a build. And you are going to the storage. All right, on the left side there is a storage. Click at storage, and here get started. All right, get started. You want to start in a production, not in a test mode, okay? Because in the production mode you need to set up some rules, perhaps authentication rules in your application, because you don't want to maybe allow to everybody to upload images. For this application, we'll go in a test mode, so we can upload images until the specific date. So this one here, until this date, anybody can upload the images. So we can test our application. But in normal production environment, you would have like some rules, some checks here who can upload the image. Okay, so test mode. Click here next. Okay, choose your cloud storage location. Doesn't really matter for me. I'll just go here, done. This will create a bucket, and after that we will go in the Next.js and we'll be preparing Next.js application. All right. We are going to create one upload page, one gallery page where we'll display all of the images. Okay, this will maybe take some time, so we'll go ahead to the terminal. We'll see if this is initialized, and yes, it is. So I can go to my directory, so cd next image upload. All right, and I'll run here npm run dev to start up the server on localhost 3000. All right, so you can go to your browsers, localhost 3000, and here you should have a default Next.js application. Perfect. Now, go to your coding editors. We will open this in our coding editors, and here it is, image upload. Perfect. Okay, we will start in src folder. We'll go to the page.js. It's a default home page. You can remove everything. Just leave here main. All right. Like this. Okay. In the main page, we will create, let's say, h1 and welcome to image upload and gallery app. Welcome to image upload app. All right. Here we'll create a navigation with the two links. All right. So navigation element can be UL here, and there will be two links. So li, and here will be link. So link will come from the next link, so you need to import it. I didn't import it for me. Sometimes it does. Link, and here it is. Okay, import link from next link, and of course you need to close it. And here will be some text, upload image. So this will be linked to the upload image page. Under it, let's paste, and this will be the gallery page. Okay, so this will be a view and gallery. Okay, we'll create here hrefs so we can navigate to the page. And let's say this page will be /upload, and the other one will be href, and this will be /gallery. Gallery, amazing. Okay, let's save this. Let's take a look. All right, welcome to image upload application. Upload image view galleries here on the bottom. I think we are interfering with some styles from here because I left here main class name styles main. So go to the page module CSS, and I want to see display flex direction, align item centers, justify maybe here the columns flex direction. That's in a space between this will. Okay, this is better. Padding and align item center. Okay, you know what? I will remove the entire page module CSS. Let's delete it. All right, I don't care about it, and I will just remove this part also here. I will save this. Okay, we need to also remove the styles here, and also we also don't need image, so go ahead and remove it. You don't need here any CSS, just leave it like this is. Okay, we'll just add some general padding to it. Okay, so go to your image, to layout.js, because here we'll be applying some padding to our element. So as you have a children, in the body, just get here div, like this, wrap it. What is the issue? Closing tag here. All right, write your style, write your object margin, let's say 200. So it will look like this. All right, so welcome to image upload up. You can also put it in the middle as you want, but I will leave it here. Here we have two links. Of course, they will lead nowhere because we don't have a pages. When you click it, you will go to localhost 3000/upload, but we don't have the page. It also says here. So go back. And let's create these pages. In the up folder, create a folder, and one folder for image upload, so upload, and one folder for gallery, so gallery. In each of this folder, you will create file page.js, and in upload page.js. That's how Next.js works. In the gallery, you will write here export a default function gallery, like this. This will be your gallery page. You will need to return here some JSX. Let's write here div hello gallery. Copy everything. Go to your upload page. The same thing. Call it upload and hello upload. Now it should work when you will save this. Back here, and you can see hello upload in upload page. I will go to gallery, view gallery, and I'm in the gallery page. Simple as that. Okay, the first functionality we'll start with will be our upload functionality, all right? First, we need to get your configuration from Firebase so we can upload actually images. Go back to your Firebase here, and as you have this sign next to your project overview up here, you are going to click it, and you will check the project settings. All right, project settings. You will scroll down here. Actually, there are no apps in your project, so you're now going to initialize. So you're looking for a web, this symbol here, the third one. We'll click at this. Register app. Yeah, that's the app nickname, whatever you want to call it. Next, upload. Register app. Okay, this should take a few seconds, and this should generate the config for you. Also, command npm install Firebase. So copy this command, go to the terminal. You can shut down your application for a second, so you can copy the command here and you can install actually Firebase. While this is installing, you will get back here, and here is the configuration of what we need. All right, so copy the entire configuration. Copy sign, go to coding editor, and in our src app folder, all right, I will create a new file and I will call it Firebase config. Firebase config.js. I'll paste it here. All right. We can initialize our application back. So go to the terminal if it's installed, Firebase, npm run dev. All right, perfect. Now get back here. We can get rid of these comments here. Okay, that's your Firebase configuration. We'll import here one more thing in the curly brackets. We'll import here get storage from Firebase/storage, so you can access your image upload storage. All right, not just the image, but any file. So get storage helper function. Here we'll initialize application with the Firebase config. We'll also write here storage equal get storage. You'll provide your application to it, and it will export from here storage. You'll be using it later, okay? Export storage here, like this. Okay, so this is the configuration we need. Now back to the upload. Okay, we need a couple of things here. This will be client page, so it will be happening on the clients in the browsers, everything. In Next.js, you need to explicitly say here use client if you want to use the lifecycle functions such as use effects or use states. So we need to explicitly say here use client on the top of the page. And now we are going to create 3 states. One for the files we are going to upload, one for the uploading state if we are uploading the image or not, if the upload process is in progress. And upload URL you will get as you will upload the image, and the image has been uploaded successfully. You get the resulting URL. Okay, so let's start. Let's write here const file. So this will be the file you will get from the input. Set file. And use state will be null, initial state. All right. Then the state, I will say if you're uploading currently image, uploading, and set uploading, and use state. All right, will be false by default, false. Okay. And the last one will be if you will get the resulting URL. So the image has been uploaded. So this will be called uploaded URL. Uploaded URL and set uploaded URL use state, and this will be null as well. Perfect. Then you will create a function that will handle file image change. So let's write here handle file change, and you will get an event here, event like this. Okay, let's go to the return now. Okay, so we'll be handling now the JSX, so what we will gonna display here. Like you can remove the hello upload, and you will get here actually input where we can place the file. Okay, so let's write here input self-closed. Type of this will be file. Type is file, and here you can write the on change, and this will be our handle file change function we just wrote here. Then we'll have here button under it like this. Now when you will click this button, this will start uploading the image to Firebase. So right here on click. On click, we don't have anything yet, so just right here empty callback function. And also you want to disable this button whenever you already uploading, when the uploading process is happening. When the uploading process is pending, you want to disable this button. So you write here disabled prop, and you want to disable this when you are uploading the image, like this. Instead of this button, you want to write the following text. If currently image is getting upload, question mark, so ternary operator, you want to write uploading, 3 dots. Otherwise, you want to write upload image. Okay, so 2 different texts. Okay, and then you just want to display the resulting image whenever you have uploaded URL. So curly brackets if you have an uploaded URL, and normal brackets like this. All right, you want to display your div like this, and this will be your image. So paragraph, oops, not OP, but just P for paragraph, uploaded image column, and I will display the image. Okay, so image you can copy, you can get it from the next image. So here, make sure it's imported up here, next image. This can be also self-closed, and you need to provide a couple of things to it. So first, src for a source of the image. This will be your uploaded URL you will get when the image has been uploaded. Also some description of the image. Let's say just uploaded image. I have a typo here. Uploaded image, and then width and the height. Width, let's say 300, height 300, and layout will be responsive, so it will adjust the actual image dimensions. Okay, let's save this. We'll go back to just take a look how it looks like. Hello gallery, let's go back. Go to upload image, actually, upload image. Okay, So we can select image here, and then we have a button to upload the image. Perfect. Now we need to handle the upload image. So whenever we will click this button here, we have an empty onClick function. So let's, actually we are not handling also the type of handle file change. So whenever you will, here you will change the input file, this function should fire, and you should get the event on which you are holding the file. And you want to set this file to the state. So call here set file, all right, and event target and files at the index of 0. That's what you are looking for. If you want to console log it, you of course can. So you will see what will happen. And they are setting it to the state. Okay, so let's save this. Get back here, open the console, and choose any image. So browse any image, for example this one, and you can see in the file from the event some data about the file, so when it was last modified, the name of the file, size of the file in the bytes, type of the file, and some path. All right? Okay, yeah, so we got all the data, now we can upload the image, and we are setting it to the state. So we can remove the console log, and now we can handle image upload. So right here, const, or handle upload simply, because it doesn't have to be necessary image, handle upload, like this, and it will be async function. And this handle upload you can provide to here to the button onClick, because you want to fire this function whenever you will click this button. Okay, so get here handle upload. In the handle upload, you want to check if you have actually file in a state. So here, okay, if you set a file before, because if you don't have a file, you don't need to upload. So right here, question exclamation mark. If you don't have a file, simply return from here. All right. Now you want to set uploading state, because you have initializing the uploading. So set uploading will be true. All right. Now you will get a reference to your storage on the Firebase. You will do it like this. You will create here a variable called storage ref. All right. Now you need to get here ref from the imports. All right. So up here, let's write here import, and you want to import here. We need a couple of things. We need to import here ref. Upload bytes, this will be uploading function we'll be using. So upload bytes, like this, and get the download URL. This will get you the actual URL when the image will be uploaded, like this, and everything you can get from Firebase/storage. Okay, so ref upload bytes get download URL. Now you will go back to your function. And now you can finally get a reference to your Firebase storage. So just get here ref. Then brackets, you will call it because that's a function. You will get your storage. The storage you can get from Firebase config, all right? So this needs to be imported from Firebase config, the configuration we have created before. All right, and then you get here backticks for string interpolation, and you want to get these images /$ curly brackets and the file name. Okay, so under this images / the file name, you will see it, the image will be stored. Okay, now we'll the try catch. Okay, catch. In the case you will get here some error. Okay, you want to catch for it. And also finally. Okay, so in the try you want to upload the image. So you'll write here await, upload bytes, access your storage ref, and simply provide your file, and that's it. Now you want to get a URL. Okay, so const URL, get right here await, and get download URL, and provide your storage ref. All right, and set uploading. You can say, not set uploading, set uploaded URL, set to the URL you will get. Okay, so you will upload the image, you will get the image URL, you will set the uploaded URL to the state. Okay, and you can write your console log file uploaded successfully. All right. In the case of error, you can write a console error. So something went wrong. Let's write here error uploading the file column +, get here this error, or just write here just like this. All right. And then finally, you want to set here uploading to false. It doesn't matter if it failed or it has been successful. Uploading state, so set uploading should be getting back to false. Okay, and that's the entire thingy. Now we can actually upload the image. So make sure the code looks like this. Okay, let's save this. Go back here. Get here file. Let's say this one here. Yeah, why not? Upload image. You can see it's uploading. It says here uploading. It has been successful, but it's done. It has been uploaded, but you can see here an issue on next image. Host name, Firebase Storage Cloud APIs is not configured under the names in your Next.js config. So we need to go to Next.js config, and we need to say to the Next.js, it's okay, this image URL is allowed in our application. So we'll copy this URL actually. This one, Firebase Storage Cloud APIs.com. Get it, copy it from here. Go to the code here, and we'll go to the Next.js config. So here it is, Next.js config. And here in the object, it will provide the images this way, domains. All right, in a square bracket, you will get this. I don't think we need to restart. Do we need to restart? Restarting changes. Yes. Okay, so we don't need to restart our server. Now we can just go back here, refresh here. It should be fine. It should be uploaded. We can check it out if it's uploaded. We can just go to your cloud here. We can close this and we can go to our storage on the left side. And there should be your image. Okay, you can see under images, you have created this images folder. See it? You create this images folder because here you have specified in the upload that will be your storage under this images / the file name. Okay, so my file name, and I will click here, is a ML marketing JPG, and that's what I have uploaded, right? So that's my image. Here it is. Okay. So here you have it. So this is your storage, what you see up here, and this is the folder. And the folder here is because you have specified here. If you have specified something else, that something else would be created for you under. And in this folder, there will be the name you have specified here, which is our file name, which we are uploading. Okay, let's try the second image. Go back to your next application and get here. What else we have here? JavaScript logo. All right. Upload image. Uploading. And yeah, it is here. So image has been uploaded. Then I will go to the Firebase. Under images, I should have a second image now. Here you see, JavaScript logo.png. That's exactly the name of the image I have uploaded right now. Okay, so images are getting uploaded successfully, and now we can just display them in our gallery page, and we are done. We can also lower the size of this, but it doesn't really matter. You can play with these things in your own time. Go to the view gallery, and we'll be now improving the gallery page. It'll be very straightforward. Let's get back. Go to gallery page. All right, and the same thing. We'll be right here use client because we want to use here use effect, state, and all these things. All right, so in the gallery page, let's write here const. Let's write here images. So this will be all the images all image URLs you want to display from your Firebase. You will get here set images, and use state. Use state will be default empty array like this. Then it will create a use effect that will be called initially when your page is loaded. So use effect empty square brackets in the end here. You will create your function const called fetch images like this, and you will call it under immediately. This will be async function. You cannot just write here async functionality in use effect. You cannot write here async like this. So that's why I'm creating the function here, which is async, and I'm calling it immediately. That's the only reason. Okay, you will get here const. You will get your ref to the storage. So storage ref, storage ref, or images ref, whatever you want to call it, images ref. And a reference to the storage. So again, you need to import the ref from Firebase storage. Make sure it's imported up here. And it's the same reference to which we have uploaded the images, all right? So a reference will be, as we have uploaded images, you look at here, under images folder, we want to get the reference to this images folder because we want to get all of the URLs from this folder. Okay, so here in the ref, you simply specify images slash like this. So you want to access everything from your images. And the first value should be your storage from configuration. So storage again from Firebase config. Okay, so this is your reference to your Firebase storage images folder. Now again, we will try and catch if something will be broken. We'll get here error, and we can console our error. So console error. Just write here error fetching images or something like this. Error fetching images. Get here error. In the try, we'll get all of the URLs. So get here const. You can get images like this. Const the result equal and await. It will be asynchronous and list all. List all, and you will get this. Also, you need to import this from storage up here. List all from the folder, and you will get your images reference. Okay, it will get your result, but this will be not URLs yet. You need to extract them with the get download URL function. So straight away you can import your get download URL function like this. It will be slightly more interesting. You will get your URLs of your images like this variable. And since this will be array and we need to extract from each item download URL, and each item is promise, you need to do this. Await and promise.all like this. You will access the result, items, and it will map over all your items. And from each item, you will get a download URL. So item, arrow function, and get download URL from each item. This is the way how you need to extract the URLs. And you will just set images to this, set images URLs. And that's it. Now you will have all of the images, and now you can display them. So in the div here, just write here h1 gallery like this. Now div, there will be some container div. I'll write here stylings, style, curly brackets, display will be flex. All right, flex wrap will be wrap. All right. Now you're going to map over all of the images we have in a state. So write here images.map, write your callback function this way, and get here a div, wrapping div like this. All right. From the map, here you will get URL of the image you want to display and also index. Okay, then since we are iterating here, we need to provide here a key. We can some unique values. So I think the unique value will be the actual URL we can provide here. And style, we'll provide here some margins. So the images are not close to each other, but there is a margin between them, let's say 10 pixels. Instead of this div, we will get the image. You need to import from next image. Again, import it. This can be self-closed. All right. And src will be URL. Okay, so the source of the image you want to display will be the URL from the images state. Okay, and the alt attribute, it can be curly brackets, and just write here backticks and image and $sign index. Okay, and the width, let's say 200, height will be 200, and layout will be responsive. Okay, and I think we are done. That's it. Just don't save it. Get back here, refresh your application, and you should see your gallery here. Why? You're not seeing anything. URL is not defined. Let's get back. URLs. Yeah. Set images. You see URLs. This should be set images URLs. Okay, so that's the only issue. Okay, so here's the resulting code. Take a look at this. Save it. Back here. Refresh. And here is your gallery. And styling of this is not very nice. I would like to have it in one row. That's the first thing, yeah. So let me improve the stylings of this a little bit because I'm not very happy with this. Okay, let's get back. Okay, so flex direction. a row. Okay. All right, this will not do anything. I'll remove the flex wrap. Okay, better. I want to change the width and the height of this. This JS image is too big. Okay, so we'll provide here diffs, diff height, so value styled, and height of this will be 200. All right, and we need to display here a cover type, non-type of how it's called here, responsive. No, this should be responsive. Fit body, object fit, and I think I just don't display me options here anymore. Cover, let's say, or contain. I don't remember right now, but it's one of them. Let me search here for an image. Documentation very quickly. Image optimization, image. Height, width, quality, object fit. Where is a fit? Object fit, style, contain, like this. You're defining it. Object fit. Yeah, like this. Okay, I'll copy this. And this way, I don't need layout, I think. Yeah, they're not specifying here layout, so just, let's try it like this. Okay, so style, object fit, contain. All right. And still not good. Remove this, remove this. Image source is missing correct width property, so width has to be defined. Just size is 300 pixels, maybe it's enough. Okay. Am I checking the updated documentation? Why isn't there is a fill. Okay, so with this it will work. Fill. Okay, now it should be okay. Okay, we just need to provide a container element with this here, which will be relative, and width will be 300 pixels. Yeah, let's do this. Let's copy this, or we actually have this div here, and we just need to copy position relative. Let's say like this. Okay, like this. Okay, few changes, and now it's good. Perfect. We managed. Okay, so with these props, we can try to upload one more image so we can see how it looks like, and then we are done. Okay, so upload image, browse, and just choose something you want to upload here. All right, upload. This should be React.js logo. Let's go to gallery page, view gallery, and here we have it. Okay, so that's the image upload with the Next.js and Firebase. Pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult, just a few lines of code, very simple. Now you should be familiar with this. Okay, that's gonna be it from this video, and see you around. Have a nice day. Cheers.